Hope we can't pick that thing up in the back from what Jay got going on. So we just doing like a little, don't mind me, a little unboxing haul type thing. We went to Five Below. I did get me a little sewing kit because, yeah, sometimes I need to sew things. We got bags for little sis, a birthday party. It is going to be Victoria's Secret theme game night. So these are going to be for the prizes and whatever else I deem necessary. We also picked up these cute little Capricorn incense because your girl's Capricorn, you know. Yesterday was the official birthday. These smell, they smell pretty good. This is some jasmine and vetiver. I think that is. Babe, can you look up what vetiver is for me? Or no?
No, I'm handling business right now.
Yeah, I don't think so. Can you do it for me? Look it up. Tell me what it is. Vetiver, I'll do it. Where's my phone at? Whatever it is, I'm about to light it. So.
You use your phone.
Oh, I'm so stupid.
No,
I'm recording.
You're not stupid. I do that too.
I was like, where's my phone? I'm recording on my phone because, yeah, it's an awesome phone and it looks amazing. Jalen, did you get the little girl toothbrush?
Yeah, I did.
All right, we got my little niece a toothbrush. I got a little makeup holder because I've been needing this. I've been using that for an excuse not to clean up. Jalen, I need you. You coming to support or join? What's going on? Okay, yeah, we about to do some tarot in just a minute. Well, I'm gonna do some tarot for me. I don't know if she's into it or not, but we got this little makeup thing. We'll see how this works. I don't have that many brushes.
I'm going to, I need
You need a what?
Right now.
What you need?
I need to clean my ears up with wax when I'm wax things too, man.
What wax things?
In Walmart, that you can buy the wax things.
What you mean too? Jalen, you doing that or something right now?
I've told you for years about my issue.
No, I ain't talking about your issue. Is you using it right now is what I'm saying. Cause he said he need that too.
No,
like somebody was using.
I have. I need.
Oh, no, I'm just thinking about it. I need that.
You was thinking about that right now while we filming. I mean, right now while we filming. Jalen, can you do me a favor and look up this these Capricorn incense? Is jasmine and vetiver. It's vetiver. That's the word I need you to look up. It smells amazing. And then we also got this little Palo Santo one. I'm gonna do that in a minute, and a little proper incense holder. But what we really are here for is to open up this deluxe prize because I won a prize from Spiritual Goodies, and I need to take pictures and stuff and send. You looking it up, Jay?
What do you want to know about?
I want to know what it is, what it's for, what it does. vetiver.
It sometimes applied directly to the skin for relieving stress as well as for emotional traumas and shock and repelling insects. It is also used for arthritis, stings, and burns.
Oh, okay.
Also helps with nervousness, insomnia, and joint and muscle pain.
Okay, cool. Do me a favor, stick that in that that blue thing on the mantle for me. And I see what you up to, Ray. I see exactly what you up to. Why do you have my perfume? I put that on today. Put this in that thing for me. So when I get ready to do, oh, burn my hand. Yeah, we got some Palo. I'm gonna light this because I need to do my tarot with that. And there's a candle here. I don't know what else this is, but yeah. We're gonna use that and get with it. Just sitting in the blue thing, Dre. It's like Palo Santo, so it's a gift set. So we'll use that over there. No, Poppy. You don't worry about what I'm doing over here. This is my vibe for the evening. So I'm about to open up this box. He don't care about nobody doing nothing. Nothing, just rude. This is my free box. If I can get it open, y'all can't see that. I just open the stuff, but you don't have to. You know what it look like to open a box. Are you about to leave? Yes, I've been filming this whole time, freak. You're such a creep. You didn't know I was filming this whole time. You don't care about nobody but yourself. And we come to that realization. I can't open this. This thing duct tape down to a T. Pink duct tape, everything. I can still hear y'all, you know. Ain't nothing for free. Another one. What he say?
Nothing.
You about to go in the kitchen? She is a klepto. I've been trying to tell you that for years. Oh shit. I am having a hard time getting this box, but they duct tape this down to the T, honey. It might be $1 million in here. I got some scissors. And that's the weird part. This is some duct tape. I know a song about duct tape. She said it's a punch. That's a punchline for a duct tape. Don't forget that game that we need to play too for little sis game night. Okay. Oh my God. I am working to get in this box. Let me tell you. So we got some nice little inspirational cards that we'll use. This one says, every day I am letting go of everything that has been holding me back. Boom. I am open to receiving guidance in unexpected ways. I am kind and compassionate to myself and others. No lies detected. I like these little, we got these little pop, 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 pop. I definitely look at that. That ain't about nobody. Let's see what we got in our little, oh, but you know what, Jalen, I need to put this in a nice manner because I do need to shout her out. And you know what? I did not, oh. These look like little Barbie pins, honey, but I definitely have to use that with this here. Let me see, can I use it now? Are these Barbie pins? Where's the insert to tell you what's what and who's who? It normally comes with an insert. It normally comes with an insert. But Jalen, do these look like Barbie pins to you? They look like Barbie pins to me. Let me see, can I feel my hair? Do these look like Barbie pins to you, babe? With a stone of some sort?
They are Barbie pins. I've seen those before.
Well.
On this white woman's head, she had them tucked in her head, and they had stones in them like that. She was a metaphysic type person too.
Okay, let me see what we can do here. Eat it up.
The drip. Nothing more.
Nothing less. You can't really see it from. Let me see. I don't know.
Let me see.
How we can see. Yeah, do something, Jay, with that. Let me see. That's cute. But I want to see like exactly what it is because you know your girl doesn't know. To the side. Now something fell out of here. What was that? Oh! Girl, your girl need to take her glasses off. This is amethyst. Beautiful.
That's my birthstone.
But it's not you.
Turn to the side. You gotta play with it some more.
Yeah. Okay, that's cute enough. And then what is this stone that it is? I'm gonna find when I find the paper, I'll let you know. And then we got so you saw the stone. That's so cute. I love stones. If you find this, it was meant for you. These tiny cards are the perfect way to start a ripple effect of kindness. Simply write a small note of encouragement on the back of each one and hide them around town. Then let the universe decide who finds them. I love it, and I'm absolutely going to do that. I'm going to make Jalen do it with me, too. Too much shade. I take some of the shade off. Boom, 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 boom. So this whole time, I've been looking in the wrong place. We need to figure out what this is. Okay, we got that. We got a little, ooh, a protection sacred stone grid. Okay. And the affirmation for this is I activate the sacred stone grid and ask for protection from all known and unknown sources. Y'all better ask for protection. Better ask for protection. And let me see what else we got in here. Another one. Another one. Another one. Pop, 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 pop. Oh, we could do a sound, Jalen. That would be good, too. This is a meditation incense powder. Y'all better. What he say? I can't even open it. Oh my God. And nothing for free. It's fine. I'll open it. I gotta take a picture anyway. And then we got a little plaque for my desk or my wall or somewhere or something. It says, kindness is always beautiful. Kindness is always beautiful. It's a beautiful little plaque. Kindness. Ooh, 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 ooh. You can't see that. Kindness is always beautiful. I need to rearrange my lights. I do need to rearrange my light. Let me see if I do it that way. Oh. Nope. Whatever. Kindness is always beautiful. Eat it up. I can put that up later. Let's move on with it. And then, oh, we got a little bracelet. Let's see, does it come with? I got an evil eye bracelet. Let you say what? Wearing an evil eye guards against misfortune happening in one's life. The evil eye brings good luck and protects you from any ill will that could otherwise have a negative effect on your well-being or your life in general. So mote it be. This is cute. This is what it looks like. And I got a book. And I got a book. You are a goddess. Jalen, what's so funny? Not you are the father. Working with the sacred feminine to awaken, heal, and transform. This is by Sophie Bashford. I can't wait to read this. It's so beautiful and cute, and God is like. Okay, boom. Awesome stuff. Yay. Thanks for tuning in. If you want to see something else, just a day in the life of. Comment, like, subscribe. Talk to you later.